Honestly, biker-vision.com feels like one of those sites that's actually made for riders, not just another random online store trying to sell gear. When you first land on it, everything feels simple and easy to understand. You're not overwhelmed, and you don't have to hunt around to figure things out. It gives off a clean, organized vibe, which already builds a bit of trust. What really stands out is how much focus they put on safety and visibility, which, if you ride regularly, you know is a big deal. It doesn't feel like they're just selling products, they're trying to solve real problems bikers face on the road. The product descriptions also feel more genuine than what you usually see. Instead of confusing jargon or overhyped claims, it feels like they're actually explaining how things work and why they matter. That makes a big difference, especially if you're someone who wants to be sure before spending money. And the overall look of the products? Pretty cool, honestly. It seems like they're trying to balance safety with style, so you don't end up wearing something that looks too bulky or outdated. Another thing I liked is that the website doesn't feel sketchy or rushed. You know how some sites just scream, "Don't trust me"? This isn't one of them. It feels more professional and put together, like there's a real team behind it that cares about what they're offering. That alone makes you feel a bit more comfortable browsing and even considering a purchase. So, is it worth it? I'd say yes, especially if you're someone who values safer riding and wants gear that actually adds something useful to your experience. Of course, it's always smart to double-check reviews or details for specific products, but overall, biker-vision.com gives a solid, trustworthy impression. It feels like a good find for anyone looking to upgrade their riding gear without taking unnecessary risks.